In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived workflows in n8n. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace by archiving old automations and then struggled to locate them later, this walkthrough will clear that up in just a moment. We'll move at a comfortable pace so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, look to the left side of your n8n window. In the left pane, click Personal. This is your home base for user-specific settings and assets. Once you're there, switch to the Workflows tab. This tab shows the full list of workflows you've created or have access to in this personal area. By default, this list only displays workflows that are active or not archived. So if you're scanning the list and not seeing something you know you archived earlier, that's expected behavior. Archived items are intentionally hidden to keep the main view focused and uncluttered. To bring those archived workflows into view, look toward the top right of the Workflows page for the filter control. Click the filter button, and in the filter options that appear, check the box labeled Show Archived Workflows. The moment you enable that option, the page will refresh to include your archived items along with the rest. You'll now see the entries that were previously hidden, clearly indicated as archived so you can distinguish them at a glance. This is the key setting to remember. Archived workflows remain safely stored and searchable, but they'll stay out of sight until you turn on that Show Archived Workflows filter. If you only need to reference archived items occasionally, you can simply toggle the filter on when you need them and off when you want to return to your regular streamlined view. A quick tip for orientation. After enabling the archived view, take a second to scan the list and note how archived items are labeled. That visual cue will help you move quickly the next time you're browsing. If you work with a large number of workflows, it can also be helpful to glance at names and descriptions you gave your automations, so the right archived item stands out immediately. And that's all there is to it. Click Personal on the left, open the Workflows tab, use the filter button in the top right, and check Show Archived Workflows. With that small change, you'll always know where to find your archived automations whenever you need to review or reference them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your n8n workspace clean and your archived work easy to access.